Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your USDT from the Trust wallet to RedotPay. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to launch your Trust wallet application. Now, when you are inside the new interface of the Trust wallet application, you need to use the search bar in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then you just have to simply search for USDT. Now over here you will be shown USDT on different types of networks, like we have Ethereum network, then we have Tron network, and then we have the BEP20 network. So you need to select any of these networks USDT. For example, let's say I've selected USDT on the BEP20 network. Now over here you are going to see the option of send. So you need to simply tap on the option of send. Now it is going to ask you to provide the address or the domain name. You can also scan the QR code over here. So in order to get the address, you need to launch your RedotPay application. Over here, tap on the option of deposit and select USDT. Afterwards, select the on-chain network, and then you need to simply select the network as BEP20. It is because inside our Trust wallet we have selected BEP20. So if you select different network, for example Ethereum network on Trust wallet, then in RedotPay you need to select the ERC20 network. So the network that you are choosing inside your Trust wallet, you need to choose the same network inside your RedotPay account only. So here, after selecting or after tapping on the BEP20 option, it is going to show the QR code as well as the deposit address. So you need to copy that from here, then come back inside Trust wallet, paste the address in this section, then enter the amount and press next. On the next page, you just have to follow further instructions in order to basically transfer your USDT from the Trust wallet to the RedotPay account of yours. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.